Hi everyone.
I'm Kathy.
I'm Dorothy.
And I'm Amber. And today is Monday, May 24th.
And we are at Quilts Plus in Kalamazoo, Michigan at 3314 Stadium Drive.
We're excited to have you here with us today.
Absolutely, absolutely. And Dorothy is going to show us the first product that we're going to feature.
Okay, these are by Blue Fig. These are craft totes. They're very sturdy. They have over 20 pockets in them. So you have things for like marking pens, you have bigger pockets inside to tuck in larger tools or boxes of pins, that kind of thing. It's hard to see. Let me do a red one. And so there's more pockets inside and more places to hold pens. You also have these side pockets with a helpful elastic that either you could put a water bottle in one or use these to make other things more stable in it on both sides. And nice handle. And we have them in several colors, red and blue and black. So these are $15 each. They'd make a lovely gift or just something to take on a retreat and keep your supplies handy. Thanks.
Hi, Kathy here. I want to show you some of our wider goods that you might want to put on the back of your quilt. I'm going to start right up here at the very top. Both of these fabrics have a theme of seaside. See the shells? We have one with a teal background and then a kind of vibrant green. It's beautiful, almost like a lime. Then this one is more of a teal with a tan. Both of these are 56 inches wide, but they're only $13 a yard as well. So you need to know about these. If you have a quilt that you're doing that you're going to be using at the seaside, or that's kind of the flair of that, these would be great backings. We're going to come on down and Amber's going to show you some of our 108 wide fabrics. And she's going to scan those so that you can really get an idea of the nice assortment that we have of wide goods. These are absolutely incredible. And ultimately, they tend to be a better value than having to get like 9 yards of fabric of regular 45-inch wide if you have a very, very large quilt. So again, as she's showing you these, they're incredible, absolutely incredible. This is another shelf of beautiful fabrics. These tend to be a little bit bolder. We have some in here that are batiks, some that are regular goods, but every one has its own dimension. It is absolutely incredible with color. And again, these are 108 inches wide, and typically they are a better value than having to use 3 strips of fabric, like about 9 yards of fabric, and you don't have to sew them together. I think that's one of the advantages as well. And we have everything from brights to pastels, so please give us a try on those as you're finishing up some of your projects, and come in and see us.
The product that I'm going to show you today is a kit by Elizabeth Hartman, and it's called Bjorn Bear. Very cute. This is a lap quilt size. It is 66 by 78. It has 20 blocks. There is over 10 yards of fabric in this kit. These are all her original fabrics. She uses a lot of Kona cotton, but then her own signature fabric is a textured weave, and that's included in this also. This kit is running $110. We have one of them, so this is a one of a kind here. You won't be sorry if you act quickly. We hope to see you today. We're open from 10 to 5, and on Saturdays we're open from 10 to 3.
So come see us. Yeah. Okay.
Our phone number is 269-383-1790.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.